Okay, so you just see us do the clutch brake, the clutch brake on this truck. The two-piece clutch brake, that's what I put up there. Sometimes your clutch brake fall out. The two-piece, that's why some people don't like the two-piece. It could loosen up and fall out. More than likely, that's what happened. It wasn't a clutch brake in there. I went ahead and put one in there. To do this job, some of this stuff you need, if you're outside like me, you could use a creeper like this. I'll put a link in the description. This one actually slide. You might see it advertised on Facebook. If you're on TikTok, you might see it on there. I'll put a link for this one if you want to get one. But this work good out here on the gravel. That's what I use. Now for the clutch brake itself, you're going to need a two-piece clutch brake if you're going with a two-piece. And that's the part number for it. Eating full of transmission, that's the part number for the two-piece clutch brake. 2-inch hinge clutch brake. Very easy to put up. These tools come in the kit with the clutch brake. You got this 2 metal rod, you got this Allen. Use this to tighten it up, like I demonstrate in the video how you would use these if you have to use them. I didn't need to use them, I just went ahead and tightened it up with the Allen. Flashlight, you're underneath the truck, more than likely gonna be dark up in the hole. Get your flashlight so you can see up there. This is a rechargeable flashlight. Got a few of them. Put one in each truck. I'll leave a link in the description for this. I'll leave a link in the description for this kit. And then you have this one. I mentioned this before on some of my videos. If you're owner up, get you a trigger start. You're underneath the truck adjusting your clutch. You could use this to turn the clutch over. Like you see, I use it to turn the shaft. That way I could line the shaft up to get the clutch brake on there correctly. So I have the screw that I need to tighten up pointing straight down. Came in handy. You don't have to keep going under and coming out the clutch. I mean going under the truck and coming out in order to turn the engine over. So those what you need right there to do this job. Need your trigger. You don't need it, but it help out a lot if you have it. You have your clutch brake kit, your flashlight. More than likely you're gonna need some type of light underneath there. Get your flashlight. Those are the basic stuff that you need to do this job right here.